Making a custom sign today for someone on the Aufero Laser 2 with the extension kit on it because it's a long sign. It was the whole point of putting the extension on this. And this is going to be a little bit different because it's going to be kind of a pre-finished, pre-oiled, then engraved sign. I'll show you what I'm doing coming up. I'm Roger, welcome to the shop. What I'm making here today is a custom sign for someone. It's actually going to say shop entrance. It's for the entrance of their shop, and it's going to be used indoors. This is being made from a 3/4 inch plywood with a South American type wood finish. I don't know, I'm not real sure what kind of wood this is on this top layer of veneer. So I, of course, did some experimenting with it first, but what I'm doing here is pre-finishing this with Watco Danish oil. This is a medium walnut right here. And I've put that on there, a nice heavy layer, and let it set for a little bit, and then wiped all the excess off. And I've let it dry overnight. Then I wanted to do some tests to find out what my engraving speed was going to be. I kind of had an idea, but I wanted to see how dark I could get it without it scorching. A little show here. This is 3,000 millimeters per minute at 80% power. This was 80% power at 1,000 millimeters per minute. I stopped it because, as you can see, it scorches too bad. But this wasn't really quite deep enough and dark enough as I wanted. I didn't want it quite that black. So I went back to this setting of the 3,000 millimeters per minute, but I'm doing it in 2 passes. So this sign is 3 inches by 28 inches, but I'm not using the entire thing. We've got to have some room on the ends to mount it. So my graphic is 22.7 inches long on this 27.5 inch long sign board. The edges have been routed over with a round over bit, and of course the edges were oiled as well. And I will probably give those edges another coat of oil before I put an actual finish on this. So I've got this all set up on the laser here, and I'll frame it. Make sure I'm where I need to be here. This is pretty much taking this to its limit. Okay, everything's looking good there. I'm using a custom font here, and I'm using offset fill, starting from center. So we'll get this started because this engrave is over an hour long. So we'll let this go. We'll check back on it from time to time, show you how it's doing. So there we have it. In fact, I like this so much, I think I'm going to make another one and maybe put it on the shop door here. I like this font. It's called Joker. And of course, this was just a little quick video kind of showing what you can do once you put an extension kit onto a laser. Again, this is the Aufero Laser 2. There's links in the description on where you can get one of these from Cinesmall, or if you already have one, where to get the extension kit. So there's just one of the things you can do with it. So if you got anything out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Always helps the channel. Of course, we're always looking for subscribers. Roger in the shop. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.